Always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
I'm Next Weather meteorologist Shane Hinton, continuing to not only track the tropics, but some indirect impacts we can expect from Hurricane Erin. Now, as we navigate throughout the work week, we are also going to continue to track toasty conditions along with some scattered showers and storms. Here's a look at the latest forecast cone from Hurricane Erin, a Category 4 hurricane as it sits in the Atlantic closer to the Bahamas. It is not expected to bring direct impacts to South Florida and not make landfall across the eastern United States, but we are still going to be seeing some impacts from the system. So let's take a look, kind of give you a look where it is currently located. It is a rather huge hurricane as it approaches Hispaniola and the Bahamas. Category 4, as I mentioned, but we're seeing hurricane force winds after 80 miles outside of the eye, 230 miles outside of the eye, tropical storm force winds. Now, I have to stress the fact that this is not going to bring direct impacts to South Florida, but we are expecting to see some conditions that'll roughen up the marine conditions and also our rip current risk. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wind gust forecast as we navigate throughout the next couple of days. You'll notice as we head into your Tuesday, we'll see gusts anywhere from 20 to 25 miles per hour. Breeziest conditions will be in Palm Beach County. As we head into the back half of the work week, though, we'll see those winds taper off as the bulk of the system moves well out to the north and brings some more tropical conditions for eastern North Carolina. Now, the eastern North Carolina coastline is under a tropical storm watch and storm surge watch. I do expect conditions to clear up for those folks as we head into the back half of the work week and into the weekend. What can we expect for the impacts here, though? No alerts officially out on the Atlantic waters or the Florida Keys, but we could see some sea heights up to 5, maybe even 6 feet at times. The highest wind height, or wave heights rather, will be in Palm Beach County, and that's because here in Broward and Miami-Dade, we actually get protected a little bit by the Bahamas. In regard to our rip current risk, though, that is going to be elevated starting tomorrow morning. In Palm Beach County, it will be elevated all the way through Thursday. I think we're going to be dealing with a high rip current risk in Broward and Miami-Dade through at least the next day or two. Wind speeds sustained from the north at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Now, the reason I highlight the wind direction is because we're going to have a very interesting pattern develop for how our sea breeze shower and storms develop. We're accustomed to them usually bringing some isolated showers along the coast in the morning and storms developing further inland for the afternoon. Notice tomorrow, as we head into the middle of the day, that northerly flow will actually bring some showers and storms from north to south through Broward and Miami-Dade County. We're looking at about a 50 to 60% chance for showers and storms here, so enough to warrant you bringing the umbrella to work. As we head toward the 5, 6, 7 o'clock hours, things start to push down to the south, and then we should be fairly quiet for your Tuesday evening. Tomorrow morning, you'll wake up with temperatures on the thermometer in the upper 70s to lower 80s, but it's certainly going to feel a lot muggier than that. Feels like temperatures will peak in the triple digits before those showers and storms start to ramp up, so please make sure you are hydrating early and often with water. Many of us could get very close to heat advisory criteria, but I do think that the rain and the cloud coverage is going to help to lower our risks a little bit for the back half of the day. 7-day forecast shows that the heat will remain elevated throughout the rest of the work week. Our rain chance is fairly scattered in nature. We're looking at about a 30, maybe even 40% chance on some days as we head throughout the next 7-day stretch.